Hello everyone, welcome to Sports Plaza. With me today I have Debjeet Lahiri, the author of the famous cricket page Forgotten Cricket Memories, and today is the preview of KKR for the second half of the IPL. Yes, Debjeet, how was the first half performance for KKR?
Thank you for having me here once again. So talking about KKR, I think the first half was obviously very, very disappointing. I think we won just couple of matches and we are way, way behind where we should be. And as a fan, as a KKR fan, lifelong KKR fan, this is kind of very disappointing.
So कॉर्बो जीत बोले नहीं हो रहा है इस साल क्या हो रहा है दिक्कत कहाँ आ रही है
I guess that the team is kind of aging and a lot of players are past their prime. If you look at Dinesh Karthik, perhaps people have decoded Andre Russell a bit. People have decoded the experiment with Sunil Narine at the top of the order. They have also decoded kind of his mystery bowling. Even like the likes of Nagarkoti or Shivam Mavi, they're upcoming players, but yet to make that transition to be a very elite player. So that is where I think KKR is lacking in quality. So which the think tank has to address in the next mega auction.
So KKR just won 2 games out of the 7 games played. The last game that was about to happen was KKR match which got
Right.
abandoned. And so what's your playing 11 going to be?
Shubman Gill and Nitish Rana as the opener. But I would go with Shubman Gill and Rahul Tripathi because we need that attacking impetus in the opening few overs, and that's where I think Rahul Tripathi with his fearless batting, he is very handy. Nitish Rana comes in at number 3. Then
But
we
you're
have
still
the
keeping the core Indian top 3, which is Shubman Gill, Nitish
Yeah.
Rana, and Rahul Tripathi. No,
This
but
is the best
McCallum
they
said
can.
if you can't change the man, then you need to change the man.
I understand, but I do not really think KKR's quality in the bench strength is good enough to replace these players. We have to stick with Nitish Rana and
Fair enough.
Rahul
Number
Tripathi.
4, controversial
Then
position, let me tell you. Very controversial position.
Yes. I would go for Ewan Morgan. I think he's one of the best number 4s in limited overs cricket, and he would definitely come in. At number 5, I would really like to see Andre Russell come in because he's the game changer, and you have to bring him early into the crease. He's coming on at 16th, 17th over with a huge pressure to increase the run rate. And at number 6, I'll put Dinesh Karthik because he's a good finisher. I would say actually. He uses the entire 360 degree. He's kind of a 360 degree player. He manipulates with the field. So if you see the record in his past couple of seasons, he actually has excelled whenever he has come on late. I don't know why the KKR think tank always like shuffles the batting order in the middle, but Karthik should definitely come after Russell. Now we have the
Sunil
5.
Narine usually coming in at 7. Sometimes he comes at 4 as well, which is shocking.
The logic behind coming at 4 is Sunil Narine can take on the spinners. And at the so since they had decoded him at the start of the innings with like bouncers and like Yorkers at where he used to struggle, so they decided that maybe he could come in at 4 at 8th or 9th over mark when the spinners are bowling and could take them on because he has the ability to like move his front leg and clear the spinners. So that was the logic behind his promotion to number 4. But I think he's good at number 7 or maybe we could like sometimes give him an opening slot just to change things up and to surprise the opponent. So that is how.
I don't know how much of a surprise that is now, but now that Cummins is not here, who would you have at number 8?
Yes, so for the replacement who has come in is Tim Southee, but I'm not sure how good he is as a T20 bowler. I would go with Loki Ferguson as I think he hasn't played at all in this first half of the series. Then I would bring in Prasidh Krishna, Varun Chakravarti. I think Varun Chakravarti is the best player in the team right now. And
still no place for Kuldeep Yadav. It's time he changes his franchisee, I would say.
Absolutely, but it's hard luck for him. I think he's totally lost the confidence, and he's a very confidence bowler. So
and your last bowler would be?
Yeah, I think Sandeep Warrier ahead of all Shivam Mavi and
okay.
Yeah.
What was your favorite super fan memory from the first half?
I think the win against Hyderabad where Nitish Rana scored a brilliant 80 in the first innings and we ended up scoring around 187 and then we defended well and won by around 10 odd runs. And the second memory would be in a losing cause, but the run chase against CSK. I think we saw the best of Russell in that match for a brief while, and that was really, really exciting as a fan because for a couple of seasons he hasn't been really firing. We have seen how destructive he can be, and that innings kind of restored faith that he might come back.
So Devjit, is there hope for the second half for KKR to qualify, or do you think it's not possible?
I don't think. I think it's a lost cause. I think we need to win 6 out of 7 matches. With the quality, we did that in 2014 actually, when we won, I think, 9 matches in a row to win the IPL. But that was a different KKR team. It was a confident KKR team. It had a lot of quality players in their prime. Unusual things happen in the IPL. That's why we love IPL. But I do not really feel it could happen.
Okay, so glad that the options coming up, there'll be a complete turnaround of the team. Thank you for doing this preview. To all our viewers, continue liking, commenting, tell us your KKR playing 11, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.